All right, so we're going to be using adroll.com because it's rated one of the best global leaders in retargeting. They have a massive network. So what I want you to do is simply go to adroll.com, click on try it out. The nice thing about this is you get a 2-week free trial. And then of course after that you pay per CPM. So go ahead, enter your email address, your website URL that you want to apply the retargeting to, enter your password, and then of course click create my first campaign. And then I'll see you on the other side. All right, so after you have created an account, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to set up your smart pixel. So if you click here, they are going to give you this code, and all you have to do is click copy. And what you need to do is you need to insert this code before the /body tag on all of your pages on all of your website pages. Now, if you use something like WordPress, then you can easily add this by doing just one step, which is adding it to your footer.php page. If you're adding it to a different platform, you will need to add it to all of your website pages. And basically, AdRoll uses a smart pixel on all of your pages to track the different segments that you create in the different campaigns. So in this example, I am going to show you how to add it to WordPress. So if I click copy here, click close, and I'm going to head on over to my WordPress site. And basically what you need to do is under appearance, you need to go to editor, you need to select the theme, and then of course you need to locate the footer.php file, which is this one here. And then you're going to locate the /body tag, which is at the very bottom. So it's inside the box, but it's at the very bottom. So make sure you scroll down to the bottom. And you're looking for the /body. So right before that tag, you're going to place the smart pixel code. So we're going to click on paste here. And then of course we're going to click on update file. And basically, essentially what we have done here is we have placed the smart pixel on every single page, because every single page has a footer. So no matter what your theme is, as long as you do as I showed you, you will be set in terms of WordPress. In terms of HTML pages, you're going to have to do that manually one by one by one. All right. And then, of course, after that, we are good to go. Now, you're not automatically going to see that the system has detected the smart pixel on your website. You kind of have to wait about 24 hours. If after 24 hours, this has not disappeared and it hasn't detected it, then you may need to look closer by clicking this link. But generally, it will detect it within 24 hours. Now, moving along, if I click on Ad Library, this is basically where you're going to upload your ads. Now, you can upload your web ads, you can upload your Facebook ads, and you can upload your Facebook mobile ads. Now, the nice thing about AdRoll is it tells you the recommended ad sizes. So you don't have to think about, okay, what kind of size is best. So for web ads, you can upload 160 by 600, 728 by 90, which generally is at the top, and then of course 300 by 250. Now statistically, we found that 300 by 250 tends to be the more converting ad. So I tend to go towards these ads if all possible, because it's generally on the side and it's generally big enough and draws the eyes. And then of course we have the recommended Facebook ads down here. And with Facebook, there is a little bit more requirements, and you need to click here to check if your image qualifies. So Facebook is a little bit more strict when it comes to ads. These ads are a little more flexible, but if you click on creative requirements, it will tell you the do's and the do nots. I'm not going to go over that right now because you can always go back to it later, but I want to make sure that I mentioned that so that you are aware. But uploading it is super easy. All you have to do is simply click on upload web ads, then drag and drop the files right here, and you're good to go. Then of course, under visitor data, you can see your retargeting visitors and your conversions and things like that. Now we don't see anything here because this is a brand new account. All right. So now that we have covered that, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your retargeting segments. And these are crucial because within a campaign, you can have several different types of segments. You can segment people into different interests, and you definitely want to do that because the more targeted and more specific that you can get, the better. All right, we'll see you in the next video.